Don't you hate when this happens to you? When you're trying to solve your cube and this what happens to you? I hate it. Oh yeah, almost done. Couple more algorithms. Couple more. Ah, babe! Oh, man! Man, clean this up again. Oh, man. Don't you hate when that happens? Yeah? And then, I got something for you then! Bread smackanoo! Whoa, what is it? What is it? What is it? Here it is. The brand new Rubik's Cube. All new functions. Fast action. Whoa! Also, Rubik's app you can get. Whoa! Look at it. It has tiles. Whoa! Let's check it out. When you open the package, see what's in here. Whoa. You get the cube. Ooh, get a stand too. Whoa, look at that stand. Fast action. Whoa. No lockup. Whoa, so fast. Whoa. So reliable. Look how fast it is. Whoa. So quick. Buy yours now. Whoa, look how fast it is. Whoa.